Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera Kate. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. Please consider subscribing. And to you all my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for stopping by. Thank you for subscribing. You're highly welcome to this amazing family. To my old subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to support your girl. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I made this yummy ogbono soup that you are seeing here. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let me go ahead now to introduce my ingredients for this recipe. Do not forget to like this video, share, comment, and please do not skip my ad. Okay, so guys, let's get started. So guys, these are the ingredients I'll be using to prepare this ogbono soup. I have yellow and red scotch bonnet pepper. I have my ogbono here. I have my dried fish and my stockfish. I have my beef and my cow skin, my pomo. I have my crayfish. For my leaf, I'm using pumpkin leaf, that's ugu leaf. You can use bitter leaf, you can use ziza leaf, you can even combine the two leaves together. It's up to you, okay? So guys, we'll start now by cooking our protein. I'll start now by adding in my beef and then my cow skin, my pomo, already washed pomo. I'll go in now with my stockfish, and then I'll be seasoning it with my seasoning powder. I'll add in my pepper now, my grated pepper. Please go in with the pepper you know you can tolerate, okay? I'm just going to mix all these together until they are properly mixed. And then I will cover this pot now and I'll allow it to steam. I'm going to steam it, okay? I'm cooking it on a low heat. I'll allow it to steam for about 3 to 5 minutes. This so the beef or the proteins can cook in its own juice. So guys, it's 3 minutes later and this is what we have. I'm going to be adding enough water now for my soup. I'll be going in with salt because of course I've already added water, so I need to adjust my seasoning. I'm just adding only salt. And then I'm going to mix this, cover the pot and allow the meat, everything inside to cook. Why the meat is cooking, I'll go off camera now to prepare my vegetable. I'm using pumpkin leaf. And now guys, this is what our protein is looking like. It's already cooked. I'll go in now with my crayfish. And then I'll be adding in my dried fish. I soak this dried fish in hot water, okay, and I washed it out with salt and I rinsed it out again. So guys, I'll be adding in my melted ogbono. I added palm oil to this ogbono and I dissolved it in my microwave. You can always place it on your stove pot or on top or on your pot just to dissolve it, okay. You can add extra palm oil now if you want, but I just want it like this. I like it like this. I'm not going in with any extra palm oil. I'm going to mix everything together. If you want your soup thick, you can add in more ogbono to your soup, okay, but I just like mine like this. So now I'm just going to allow this to cook. Of course, you should allow your ogbono to cook very well so that you won't end up with running stomach or your upsetting stomach. So guys, our ogbono is cooked now. I'll be going in with my vegetable. If you have watched me up to now and you have not liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, why now? Why? Let me give you 5 seconds to subscribe and like. Okay, thank you so much for liking and subscribing. So guys, at this point, to turn off your heat because your soup is ready. And this is what we have. Our ogbono is ready. Believe me guys, this soup came out so yummy, so delicious. Let me know in the comment section what swallow you'll be enjoying this yummy delicious ogbono soup with. For me, I'll be enjoying mine with fufu. Do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to comment. Leave a sweet comment for me in the comment section. Subscribe. Give this video a huge thumbs up, guys. Okay, and share to your friends, share to your family members. Okay, until I come in next time, guys. Stay safe. Bye.